Vastu Shastra and Worship Room. Today we will discuss how to do worship room according to Vastu Shastra, how to keep idols or worship photos, what items where to stay in the puja room, what will be the color of the puja or worship room, how will be the doors, windows, roof be, and in what direction. According to Vastu Shastra, what is forbidden to do in the house of worship and how will be the house of worship to gain wealth and fame. The worship room is an epicenter of positive energy. Worshipping and meditating will give a person positive energy and also keep the environment positive. Therefore, recommendations are made for the worship rooms. It is often ignored or sidelined due to lack of space. But worshipping at home, there is a sure shot way to avoid negative influence at home. Location for worship room. The best location for puja room in the house is the northeast direction. Vastu Shastra propagates the northeast direction so as to harness maximum energy from the sun. If that doesn't work for you, puja room in the house will do at the north and the east corner also. If nothing else works, west is permissible too. However, avoid locating the puja room in the south direction. It's best to place your puja room on the ground level. Underground and upper floors are not recommended for puja room as per Vastu. Don't position the puja room under or staircase or against the wall of a bathroom, toilet, stair room, or kitchen. It is considered as inauspicious. Other location for puja room. If you live in a flat or a small house, it's understood that you may not have the space for a dedicated puja room. In that case, you can make a wooden frame as a puja room or mandir and keep this in your home, but make sure it is in the northeast direction of your home. It's not a good idea to keep this in your bedroom. However, if you have no other option, then you keep it in the northeast area of your bedroom and close its door or on a cloth always after worship. Also remember that your feet should not point towards the puja room or mandir when you are sleeping. In big plots or factories, construct puja ghar at center. This is very obsessious. If the prayer area is in the kitchen, then keep it in the northeast corner of your kitchen. Puja room's roof. Build a pyramid space tower for the puja room space if you can, as it maximizes positive vibrations. Door. The puja room door should have two shutters ideally and preferably made of wood. Ensure that the thresholds of the door made up of four pieces of wood and also ensure the door not open or close automatically. Ensure that the puja room doors and windows open out to the north or east direction. Color. White, light blue, yellow or other subtle soothing shades are good Vastu colors for puja rooms. Light and lamp. Place lampstands and Agni Kund in the southeast direction in puja room. Use copper vessels in your puja room. It is considered obsessious. White or light yellow colored marble work in your prayer room makes it more obsessious. Position of idols. Idols in the puja room must not face to each other or the door. Keep the idols in the east or the must be located in the northeast ideally. Don't keep the idol or photo close to the wall. There is a few inch distance, at least 1 inch distance away from the wall. Make sure that the idols or puja photos are always in perfect condition, and ensure that the idols in the puja room are not chipped or broken. Avoid pictures of the decreased or paintings depicting violence in the puja room. Position of a prayer. Try to ensure that your face towards north or the east while offering prayers. Don't use the puja space for any other purpose, and avoid too much storage here. If you must have storage options, then place cupboards, showcase, and almirahs to the west or the south walls. What you must avoid. The puja place should never be in south direction. Do not have a puja place in the storeroom. Avoid puja place in bedroom. However, if there is no option, then use the northeast corner of the bedroom as puja place. Also remember that while sleeping or laying on a bed, your feet should not point towards this corner. Never make puja room in basement or first or above floors. Do not have a prayer place above, below, or next to any toilet or kitchen. Avoid puja room or place under a staircase. Idols should never face to south. Do not chisel up the walls to make place for the keeping idols. Never keep broken idols in the puja room. Idols should never be directly in front of the entrance door of prayer room. Never keep the idols brought from old temples in your prayer room. Scenes or photos of crime, battles, or any negative emotions are strict to know in the puja place. Actually, you must avoid them in your entire home also. Do not hang photos of animals and birds in the puja place. Never have a photos of passed away people in your prayer room. Never keep a dustbin in your puja place or puja room. It reduces positive energy of your room. No one should sleep in the prayer room. Don't keep items in the puja area that do not belong to there. Never ever, under any circumstances, conceal any money or other valuables in a prayer room or puja room. It was about how to do worship room according to Vastu Shastra, how to do keep idols or puja photos, what items were to stay in the puja room, what will be the color of puja room or worship room, what are forbidden to do in the house of worship, and how will be the house of worship to gain wealth and fame. Thank you.